Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how you doing? What we're going to be talking about today is something that I'm perturbed. Okay, I'm perturbed. And apparently this administration wants me to have dishpan hands, and I'm not having it. Okay. I have invested in a dishwasher for a reason. Okay. You try and do dishes every single day with a house full of 8. All right. I'm not having it. I'm not having it. So this regime, okay, apparently wants all of us to return to the days when we washed our clothes and hung them outside. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes, yeah, it's nice. The linens. Okay. But have you ever tried to dry yourself off with a towel that's been hanging outside? Okay, God forbid you have a pimple on your butt. Just saying, it gets ripped right off. Okay, so the Department of Energy, or DOE, okay, they released devastating rules, okay, to dramatically slash water and energy use limits for Americans' dishwasher below current levels. Yeah, dishpan hands, not having it, not doing it, not doing it. So this new proposal would limit dishwashers to using 3.2 gallons of water per cycle. Okay, let's talk. Okay. Who here actually knows how many gallons of water that your dishwasher uses? Okay. Me neither. So this is far below the current federal limit of 5 gallons. All right. So the rules would also require manufacturers to reduce their products' energy consumption by nearly 30%. Who here has all of their appliances in their house have that Energy Star? You know, the shooting star. Okay, me too. So most dishwashers that are on the market are already well below the federal standard of 5 gallons, with most using 3.5 gallons per cycle or less. Oh, really? See, I didn't know that. The more you know. You know. So it's I can't. All right. I'm not putting my hand. I'm kidding, but still, who do they think they are? Are they going to come to my house and do my dishes? So the news only gets worse for Americans, or us being homeowners, renters, whatever. All right. This regime is strongly considering brutal crackdowns on even more household appliances like our washing machines, our refrigerators, our dryers. What more can they possibly take away from us? Okay. And manufacturers note that these rules will have a crippling impact on performance. So, like if you have a big family, like I have a big family, okay, we have 8 people in this house, okay. If I have to go buy a new, like say, washer and dryer, okay, you try doing laundry for a family of 8 on one of these new washer and dryers that they want to put out. It'll be broken in 6 months. And with the prices of washer and dryers nowadays, no. Okay? No, I'm not doing it. You can't make me. All right? So the Department of Energy makes crystal clear these new rules are coming in order to advance Joey Boy's radical sea change agenda. All right? And collectively, these energy efficiency actions support Joey Boy's ambitious, clean agenda to combat the sea crisis. No. And this all marks the next step in the regime's efforts to completely alter our way of life. Okay. Back in February, when the feds were considering a complete ban on gas stoves, okay, now you know how New York picked that up. Okay. But I believe it's only for new construction buildings and homes. Okay. Now, officials later tried to tamp down on that national uproar before partially admitting the truth in March, saying that they want to ban some gas stoves. Now, New York, like I said just last month, followed these signals and became the first state to actually ban gas stoves. So while ordinary Americans will suffer from these horrific rule changes, should they ever go into actual effect, the wealthy, the powerful, they'll remain unaffected. Rules are only for the little people, you see. Rules for me, thee, but not for me. Yeah, okay, you get it now? So, I'm just, this is just becoming more and more absurd. It truly is. I don't see them putting their hands in dirty dishwater. Whatever. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next one, okay? You stay safe, you stay positive, you keep prepping, and as always, fearless. Ciao.